Good afternoon, everybody. I got quite a few questions about our lesson today and about your assignment this afternoon. And so I wanted to apologize for leaving in kind of a rushed state today and make a little video walking through a few more examples and maybe explaining a little more in depth about what it is you're actually doing today. So here we go. These are the slides from our Nearpod today. So this one right here has, there we go. This one right here has the example that we worked through in class. So just to reread this task, here we go. Find as many different ways as possible to use math to get the whole numbers 1 through 20. So whole numbers just mean we're not looking for any decimals. We're not looking for any fractions. We're just looking for like the integers, the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. We have to do that, however, using only the number 4 and only 4 of them. So, but we can use any operation. So again, operations are all of these things right here. There's addition, there's subtraction, there's multiplication, there's division, square roots, exponents, and parentheses. So we need to find all numbers 1 through 20 using 4 fours and any operation we want. So this was the example right here that we went through. And I'm just going to go through it again really quick. We said square root of 4 plus 4/4 plus 4. So right there you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fours. So this satisfies the constraints in the instruction. Okay. So to solve this, and it's okay, this one is a little bit advanced, so it's okay if you look at this and you're like, what the heck does this all mean? That is totally fine. But I'm going to walk through this slowly. We said that the square root of 4 is 2 because 2 squared equals 4. So square root undoes exponents. And then the next thing we need to do, because of order of operations, is our division. So anytime you see a fraction, like right here we have 4/4, anytime you see a fraction, that is division. So this right here is saying 4 divided by 4. So 4 divided by 4, let me just erase that really quick, give us some space. It's getting a little chaotic in here. Anytime you have a number and you divide it by itself, you end up with 1. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. And then we're adding 4 to that. So we went from this complicated, the square root of 4 plus 4/4 plus 4, we went from that complicated expression to 2 plus 1 plus 4. That we can do. That is just 3 plus 4, or 7. So what that means in the context of the problem is that this expression right here that we were given actually equals 7. And now we want to try to find, let's move on over to this portion right here. We want to try to find more expressions, as many as we can, that contain the number 4 only used exactly 4 times. And what we're trying to do is find answers that are the whole numbers 1 through 20. Let me show you in another example. So let's say we want to get something for number 1. We're trying to find something that has the solution of 1. And I'm going to try to do this using only addition and subtraction, just to keep it simple for now, to give you an example. I know I have to have 4 fours, so I'm just going to start by putting a 4 down. Okay. I'm going to now add 4 to that. I now have 8. Okay, so what happens if I subtract 4? Again, I'm just experimenting right now. So I'm now back at 4, because 4 plus 4 is 8, minus 4 is 4. So what else can I do to this? Well, since I'm just experimenting, I'm just going to be like, well, I saw over on this problem right here that 4 divided by 4 was 1. So I'm going to subtract 4 divided by 4, except for wait. Now I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4s. Ah, Miss There, you can't do this. So, silly Miss There, I'm going to erase it because I used 5 4s. And my rule says I can only use 4 of them. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just add 4 again. And now I have 4 plus 4 is 8, minus 4, plus 4. So if I subtract 4 from that, I end up with 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, well, I can now use this as my example for 8. So 4 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I've now found 7 and I've found 8. And then I'm just going to keep playing and exploring and experimenting. And as long as you are using the number 4 exactly 4 times, and any single one of these operations, so you can add, you can subtract, you can multiply, you can divide, you can use square roots, you can use exponents, and you can use parentheses, you're set. I hope that is a little more clear for you all. I know it's kind of chaotic to look at, but please feel free to shoot me a message or an email if you're still feeling totally baffled. All right, thanks so much, y'all. Bye.